Sierra 1 to Central. The livestock transport has arrived at the gate.
Roger that. Guide them to Bay 3. Start the scanning sequence.
Gate 3 is clear. Sending the next group.
Okay, it's ready. Open the gate. All right, stand back, everyone. Make sure the troughs are evenly filled down the line. Yes, sir, we're almost done with this section.
Team, Sector 4 needs another load of fodder. Make sure the troughs are clean before refilling.
1,850 kilograms confirmed.
Roger that. Easy now, let's move along.
System check complete. Water pressure stable.
Activating brushes now. Keep the longhorns moving smoothly.
The brushes are stopping. Guide him to the right. Confirmed. Watch the horns on the barrier. Vitals look good. Keep him calm at the barrier.
Preparing the ultrasound probe now, Doctor. Confirmed temperature, 101.5. Record that, please. We'll move on to the cardiovascular examination.
Heart rate is steady at 65, respiration at 20. Confirmed, doctor. All vitals look good on the tablet. Excellent work, team. Proceed to the head examination. Pupils are responsive. No signs of inflammation in the left eye.
Recorded, Doctor.
The molars and incisors are in excellent condition, confirming oral health status green. Confirmed, doctor. Proceeding to head assessment.
Symmetry looks good, no lesions around the base.
Recorded. Horn surface appears healthy.
Head assessment complete, let's move to the body scan.
All joints show good mobility, hoof integrity is strong.
Excellent. Record the findings and prepare him for the next station.
Findings recorded, preparing the path now.
Weight confirmed at 1,250 kilograms. The growth rate is stable and within the healthy range.
All vitals stable. Temperature and heartbeat within parameters. Confirmed, doctor. Entries match the digital record. Excellent. Prepare the health certification.
The final review is complete. All clear for certification. Confirmed, Doctor. Entering the final status now.
This one is approved. Send it to Station 3.
Acknowledged. We are logging the weight now.
Weights are verified on the terminal. Send this batch to packaging.
Confirmed. Moving to the next stage.
I've logged the count for the premium selection.
Make sure the thickness measurements are recorded for these 50 pieces.
This section here has a hairline fracture.
Okay, I see it. Make sure the usable sections are marked clearly.
Yes, Supervisor. Moving the approved trays now.
Check the pressure levels on the gauge.
They are stable at 20 psi.
Good. Ensure the thickness is consistent across all pieces.
These look perfect. Move them to the polishing station.
The inner diameter is perfect on this batch.
Approved for release to finishing.
We carefully inspect every edge under powerful LED lights, ensuring a flawless, premium finish before the final assembly.
These measurements look correct.
Ensure the clasp alignment is perfect on all sets. The smoothness is excellent. They match the reference sample perfectly. Check the clasp on this one.
It's secure, ready for inspection.
Asegúrate que la alineación esté perfecta.
Sí, supervisor. Ya los estoy registrando.
The transformation is complete. Excellent work, everyone. We are ready for distribution. Thickness confirmed at 2.1 millimeters. Recording for batch 74A.
We just finished applying the treatment to this section. Bring it over here. The consistency looks excellent under the light.
Moisture levels are optimal on this batch, Supervisor.
Excellent. Begin transport to the cutting tables.
Check the front panels against the approved dimensions.
Looks correct, Supervisor. The automated alignment is ready.
How are the dimensions on panel 12?
Within tolerance, Supervisor. Ready for assembly.
The dimensions are accurate. This set is approved for stitching preparation.
That looks perfect. The alignment is spot on.
Ensure all residue is gone from the stitching.
Wiping it now.
Very good. The finish is flawless.